Number 1. BMW Motorhome 2026. This is BMW's bold step into a territory that blends luxury, technology, and performance in a way only BMW could pull off. Imagine the dynamic spirit of a 7 Series or an X7 stretched into the body of a fully-fledged motorhome, designed for long-haul comfort but infused with the driving precision the Bavarian brand is known for. The exterior immediately gives off a modern, athletic vibe. The signature kidney grille dominates the front, scaled up to suit the proportions of a motorhome, and flanked by BMW's latest laser light technology with adaptive beams that cut through the darkest highways. The body lines are sleek, muscular, and aerodynamic, avoiding the boxy look of traditional RVs. You see subtle curves along the flanks that mirror BMW's coupe-like designs, while the rear is finished with full-width LED lighting and chrome accents that deliver a premium look. Alloy wheels, styled like those from BMW's M Performance lineup, bring a sporty edge even to a vehicle of this size, and the paint options range from classic alpine white to bespoke individual finishes like frozen matte colors. Inside, it's everything you'd expect from BMW, but taken to another level. The cockpit is driver-centric, with a digital curved display borrowed straight from the iX and 7 Series, combining both the instrument cluster and infotainment into one sweeping screen. Gesture control, haptic feedback, and BMW's latest iDrive 9 system come as standard. The steering wheel has multi-function controls, and the seats are upholstered in merino leather, ventilated, heated, and with massage functions built in. As you step back into the living quarters, the motorhome reveals a spacious lounge with lounge chairs wrapped in leather and Alcantara, a full-sized sofa that doubles as a sleeper, and ambient lighting strips with customizable colors that create a calming atmosphere. A full smart kitchen includes induction cooktops, a compact fridge, and even a voice-controlled coffee maker. Number 2. Bugatti Motorhome 2026. This is the kind of machine that sounds almost impossible until you see it. A brand that has defined itself with hypercars like the Chiron and Bolide, now turning its attention to the luxury motorhome world. But unlike anything else, the Bugatti Motorhome doesn't just move you from one place to another. It makes the journey itself a spectacle of speed, engineering mastery, and extreme opulence. On the outside, the Bugatti Motorhome is unmistakably Bugatti. The famous horseshoe grille dominates the front, stretched into a massive yet elegant fascia that instantly communicates power and prestige. The headlights are sleek, razor-like LED units inspired by the Chiron's 4-element design, giving the face an aggressive and futuristic signature. The body is a sculptural masterpiece, flowing curves and aerodynamic surfaces crafted from lightweight carbon fiber composites. Along the sides, you'll notice massive air intakes, functional as well as aesthetic, channeling airflow to cool the monstrous power plant hidden beneath the sleek surface. The rear is just as dramatic, with a full-width light bar, an active, aerodynamic wing that adjusts for downforce and stability, and even a diffuser setup that looks like it belongs on a hypercar rather than a motorhome. The sheer stance of this vehicle commands attention. It looks more like a land yacht designed for high-speed touring than a traditional RV. Inside, Bugatti has created a world where craftsmanship and performance-inspired luxury merge seamlessly. Every detail is finished with the kind of artistry reserved for million-dollar hypercars. Step in, and you're greeted by interiors draped in the finest leathers, carbon fiber, and polished titanium accents. The driver's cockpit is a direct evolution of Bugatti's design language. Digital displays with hypercar-inspired graphics, a flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated controls, and a driving position that feels more like piloting a spacecraft than an RV. Moving further inside, the living space is both extravagant and practical, designed for travelers who want nothing less than perfection. A central lounge features hand-stitched leather sofas that recline electrically, a 4K smart entertainment system with immersive audio, and ambient lighting that can be tuned to match your driving mode. The kitchen is sleek and minimalistic, but fully equipped with advanced appliances, including hidden induction surfaces, a wine preservation system, and bespoke storage units for glassware and dining essentials. Sleeping quarters offer a king-sized bed trimmed in Bugatti's signature quilting, while the bathroom has a spa-like rainfall shower, marble finishes, and mirrors that adjust lighting to mimic natural sunlight. This isn't just travel, it's first-class living on the move. Performance is where Bugatti redefines what's possible for a motorhome. At its heart is a detuned version of Bugatti's legendary 8.0-liter W16 quad-turbocharged engine, paired with hybrid electric motors to ensure both raw power and efficiency. We're talking about a motorhome with nearly 1,500 horsepower. Yes, a motorhome capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, despite its massive size. The transmission is a highly advanced dual-clutch system, delivering seamless shifts, while the all-wheel drive system ensures power is distributed intelligently to keep the motorhome stable under extreme acceleration. Suspension is a marvel in itself. Adaptive air suspension with predictive road scanning. Number 3. Tesla Motorhome, 2026. This is the future of sustainable long-distance travel wrapped up in a package that merges Tesla's futuristic technology, bold design, and fully electric performance into a motorhome unlike anything we've seen before. Tesla has already redefined what we expect from cars, SUVs, and trucks, and now they're aiming to do the same for the world of RVs, bringing together zero-emission touring with cutting-edge tech that makes life on the road both smarter and, cleaner. The exterior is immediately recognizable as Tesla. Clean, minimalist lines dominate the design, with a smooth, aerodynamic silhouette that reduces drag and maximizes efficiency. The front fascia is sleek, with a subtle Tesla badge and slim LED headlights that stretch seamlessly into the bodywork, giving it a futuristic face. The entire body is crafted from lightweight aluminum and composite materials to keep weight down while still offering strength and durability. Large panoramic windows flow along the sides, giving passengers incredible outward visibility while creating a light-filled interior. The roof is equipped with an integrated solar array that not only helps to charge the massive battery, but also powers auxiliary systems when the motorhome is parked. The rear features Tesla's signature full-width, light bar aerodynamic shaping to reduce turbulence, and a retractable spoiler that doubles as a roof-mounted air channel. Even the wheels follow Tesla's design philosophy. Low-drag aero wheels that not only look stylish, but actively improve range. Step inside, and you're greeted with Tesla's trademark futuristic minimalism, but elevated for a motorhome lifestyle. The driver's area is clean and sleek, with a yoke-style steering setup, a massive 17-inch central touchscreen, and an augmented reality heads-up display projected onto the windshield. Every major function of the motorhome is controlled from the screen or by voice through Tesla's AI assistant, seamlessly integrated with the brand's advanced software. The living area is an open, modular space that adapts to your needs. Seating and sofas are upholstered in sustainable vegan leather, with materials sourced from recycled and eco-friendly origins. A convertible lounge system slides electronically into different modes: relaxation, dining, or sleeping, depending on your activity. The kitchen includes an induction cooktop, compact smart refrigerator, and an AI-enabled storage system that keeps track of supplies and recommends meals based on what you have. The bathroom continues the futuristic feel, with touchless fixtures, a rainfall shower, and water recycling technology to conserve resources during long trips. A panoramic roof stretches the length of the cabin, turning nights into stargazing, experiences and days into naturally lit journeys. Performance is where Tesla turns the motorhome into something extraordinary. Powered by a next-generation battery pack with a capacity exceeding 500 kilowatts, the Tesla Motorhome promises a real-world range of over 600 miles on a full charge. This is combined with a tri-motor all-wheel drive system borrowed from the Plaid models, producing over 1,000 horsepower. That means this is no sluggish RV. Despite its size, it can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5 seconds, a number unheard of in the motorhome world. Charging is supported by Tesla's Supercharger V5 network, offering rapid recharging speeds of up to 400 miles of range in just 20 minutes. For off-grid adventurers, the solar roof adds daily trickle charging, while onboard battery-to-home technology allows the motorhome to double as a mobile power station. Adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts ride height and stiffness depending on the terrain, ensuring comfort on highways and confidence on rougher roads. Number 4. BYD Motorhome 2026. This one is all about smart design, electric innovation, and bringing luxury electric mobility to a wider audience. BYD has already established itself as a global leader in EV technology, from passenger cars to buses, and now the company is bringing that expertise into the motorhome world. What we get is a vehicle designed to be efficient, eco-friendly, and surprisingly affordable compared to the ultra-luxury brands, while still offering comfort and style for long journeys. The exterior of the BYD Motorhome 2026 reflects the brand's modern, futuristic language. The front fascia carries a clean, confident look with a wide, closed grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and subtle chrome detailing. Its aerodynamic body is designed with smooth edges and flowing panels to reduce drag and maximize battery range, something crucial for a large electric vehicle. Large windows run along the sides, giving a sense of openness and visibility, while the rear is designed with LED light bars that echo BYD's electric SUVs. The roof is fitted with integrated solar panels, which not only add to the vehicle's sustainability credentials but also provide extra energy for onboard systems during stops. Lightweight composite materials and aluminum in the structure keep the weight in check, improving both range and performance. Step inside, and the interior of the BYD Motorhome is focused on comfort, technology, and practicality. The driver's cockpit features a wide digital dashboard with a central 15-inch touchscreen similar to BYD's latest EV models, handling all navigation, climate, and entertainment functions. Voice control and AI integration allow you to manage everything hands-free, from adjusting the cabin temperature to planning charging stops. The living area has been designed with modular flexibility in mind. You'll find fold-out sofas upholstered in soft, eco-friendly materials, a multi-purpose dining area that can convert into an extra bed, and plenty of smart storage built seamlessly into the walls and under the floor. Number 5. Future Motorhome 2026. This one isn't tied to any single brand, but rather represents the vision of what the next generation of motorhomes could look like in a world that's rapidly embracing advanced technology, sustainability, and futuristic design. Imagine a vehicle that combines the best of electric propulsion, autonomous driving, smart living systems, and space-age styling, all in one self-sufficient home on wheels. The exterior of the future motorhome is unlike anything currently on the roads. Its body is sculpted more like a spacecraft than a traditional RV, with flowing, aerodynamic curves, smooth surfaces, and a completely seamless design. The front has no grille, just an intelligent sensor array hidden behind glass panels, giving it a clean, futuristic face. Headlights are replaced with ultra-slim laser and OLED light strips that not only illuminate the road, but also adapt dynamically to weather and traffic conditions. Cameras and LiDAR domes sit flush with the body, providing 360-degree awareness for autonomous navigation. The sides feature massive glass panels that tint electronically for privacy, and the roof is a full solar array stretching end to end, recharging the vehicle while also powering onboard systems. Lightweight graphene composite panels make up much of the body structure, keeping it strong yet ultra-light, while active aerodynamics adjust at highway speeds to maximize efficiency. Inside, the future motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. Step through the automatic sliding doors, and you're greeted by a living space that feels more like a futuristic apartment than a vehicle interior. The entire cabin is modular, with furniture that reconfigures itself based on your needs. Sofas fold into beds automatically, dining tables rise from the floor with the touch of a button, and walls themselves can shift to create different spaces. Holographic projection replaces traditional TV screens, allowing you to enjoy entertainment, virtual windows, or even interactive workspaces anywhere inside the vehicle. The cockpit is fully digital, with no physical controls. Driving is optional, thanks to Level 5 autonomous capability, but when you do take the wheel, a retractable yoke-style control unit appears. Materials throughout the interior are sustainable.